everyone. It's another beautiful day here in London and we are just heading out to go on the Harry Potter studio tour. I'm super excited to go on this tour today. I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so I hope you enjoy the studio tour.
I meet people from all over the world and they tell me, you must go here.
I have one birthday helper. With anyone celebrating birthdays today? Anyone else? What's up? We have no ceiling in this room. If you remember, the Great Hall ceiling was enchanted. Ouch! Where'd that one go? Can someone grab that for me? Yeah, anyone grab that for me? Let's see who our champion is.
So we're about halfway through the studio tour and I had to try the butterbeer. So verdict on the butterbeer, it wasn't bad.
It's a silly beer. It looks buttery, creamy, gets your lip frothy.
It's kind of like a butterscotch soda with whipped cream on it. So not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So that was such a cool experience getting to go to the Warner Brothers Studios and see all the different Harry Potter things like props and sets and costumes, and I don't know, it was really like the ultimate Harry Potter fan experience. And my favorite thing that we saw there was the giant model of Hogwarts, which I was not expecting. It was massive and amazing, and I just really wish that Hogwarts was a real place, you know, just all that magic and whatnot. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this short little video tour of our time at the Harry Potter studio. If you end up going, I hope you have just as much fun as we did.